How do you purchase a split contract? Once you've acquired a split license, the next step is to secure a split contract. This guide will walk you through the process of purchasing a split contract for Ultima. Log in to DeFi-U website. Scroll down the page to find a list of available products for purchasing. To purchase a split contract, go to the Split Contracts tab. Once you've selected the contract that suits you the most, click the Purchase button next to it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose your preferred payment method. After selecting Ultima, ensure you agree with the provided terms by checking the corresponding box. Then, click the Purchase button to proceed. In the subsequent window, you'll find the total amount in Ultima, along with the wallet address to which you should transfer the specified amount. A convenient QR code will also be available for mobile app users to streamline the transaction process. To complete the transaction, send the exact amount as displayed on the screen to the provided wallet address. It's crucial to send the precise amount shown to ensure a successful transaction. After making the payment, wait for a notification confirming the receipt of your payment. Congratulations! You've successfully acquired a split contract. Having purchased the contract, you'll notice that the values on the split license usage widget in your dashboard have been updated.